pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hello everybody, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. I finally have Boxyluxe. Yes, it has taken a month pretty much to get here. It's the 23rd. I didn't get tracking for it. It just showed up, which of course I was happy to see it. This is the quarterly makeup, skincare, lifestyle box that cost about $50. I think I paid $53.99 for this box, but here it is. I pretty much, you get 7 to 8 full-size items, I believe. It's a different shaped box, this one. Kayla. You hear her in the background. So let's go ahead and open her up and see if she is worth it. Okay. Here she is. This one has a card in it, and it's got information about the products, and it's got prices. So, let's see what we got in here. Okay. Oh, I definitely need bigger space. Alrighty. Woo! Oh, I see. Okay, get rid of that stuff. Woo! Okay. Let's go in with the first thing I see. Pure Skin Gentle Foaming Face Cleanser, and it's First Aid Beauty. This is a $22 value, it says. Let me see what it says here. It's got ingredients in it like oatmeal and aloe. It's free from sulfates. Yeah, First Aid Beauty usually does not have sulfates in there. It's got a seal on it. And cap. This is another seal comes off. Oh, that's cool. And then of course you would just use the pump. Just a foaming cleanser. Alright, I like it. I like getting cleansers. Let's move on. Now I see Dr. Brandt Say I Love You with Pride Triple Antioxidant Face Cream. Visibly smooths wrinkles and helps prevent signs of aging. Dr. Brandt is a really $64. Wow. And it says it's a new launch, but that's not always true. I'm just letting you guys know. I've said that in the past, and then I've seen that the product's been out for like a year, and I'm like, okay. So here it is here. This is not real big for $64, but it's got a safety seal on it. It says it's an antioxidant enriched moisturizer that provides skin with 12 hours of protection from damaging free radicals and external aggressors. I love the way that they put these descriptions. It's hysterical. Okay, so this is a white cream. Not real heavy, but definitely much thicker than a serum. So there you go there. It feels kind of tightening too. Huh. Alright. I'm liking it. Let's move on. I believe I chose these Luxe brushes. I love getting brushes. But then again, it takes me even longer and longer to wash them. Alright, let's open her up. Oh, there's the tiny little... Woo! Smells like nail polish. Oh my gosh. Woo! It does. It smells like you know have that nail polish smell? That's what it smells like. Alright, so you got right here your tiny little beauty blender. This would be for your concealer or pretty much contour, whatever you want to use it for. And then you've got 4 brushes. This one here is your shader brush. Luxe Eye Shading. Yes, here it is here. It's a brush with a lot of control, which means this one will probably pick up color better than what other brushes do for shadows, which means, you know, you just have to be careful putting it on. Then we've got, this one looks like a blender. This one's kind of flimsy, so really it would be for blending a specific way and using a specific technique, because if you do this, it's just going to move everything around, not necessarily where you want it to. Okay, we have also got, what is this? Concealer. What? Okay, so this is a more precise concealer brush than what some of the other brands have. It's actually smaller. This is like a basic concealer brush, and it's got a point to it. So you could actually, good for inner corner, good for, you know, underneath the eye. But it's not going to be good for blending the concealer in, really, just so you know. Okay, you would need probably a sponge to do that. Probably finish it up with this here. Okay, then we've got like a fine detailing brush. You could use this for gel liner. What does it say? Eyeliner. Yeah, you could use it for gel liner. You could also use this for if you want to wet an eyeshadow and use that as a liner. So, okay, that's good. We've got 4 eye brushes and the little sponge. I'm going to put that back in here. I do like the color, and I love me some purple. Love these bags. I'm pretty sure I've got a drawer filled with bags somewhere. Okay, did I tell you $40? Wow. And it says Boxy exclusive. Okay. Okay, let's see what else we got. NARS blush. Oh, I think I've got 1 or 2 of these. This says it's in Orgasm, and I'm pretty sure I've got this shade. I've got the mini one, though. I think that came in Ulta for like my birthday gift one year. Oh, I love their packaging. Basic, simple, but it feels good. It's like soft. Oh, it's got the plastic over it. It's got a tiny little mirror. Here it is here. It's super cute. Okay, let me swatch her. Ooh, she's shimmery. But I'm swatching her a few times, and she's not really this color. She's a little bit lighter. I don't know if you can see that, if the camera will pick it up. But definitely pretty. It's just not what I was expecting. I'll have to definitely, let's see. Oh yeah, okay. That works. Not bad. Okay, cool. Alrighty, let's see. What was the... Oh, $30. Now, let's move on. Oh, I've been waiting for this. The Moxie Lash. Yes, I'm really trying to find a magnetic lash that works for me, so I don't have to use glue so much. The glue is hard to get off. I like the casing. Let's see what the value is. $90? Stop it. Oh my gosh. $90. My mom's laughing at me. Okay, there's a little card in here. Okay, so we got the lashes. Oh, okay, there's another thing in here. This... Let me pull open these. I like the case for the lashes, and for $90, yeah. Oh wow, these are different. Look at that. I kind of wish now I'm gonna have to do a separate video to try these on. Yeah, that's what I'll, okay, yeah. So there is, I believe this is the magnetic liner. Yes, mini liquid mini. They couldn't give me a full size one. $90. So here's the liner in here, tiny little thing. And then what's in here? Oh, for easy removal of Moxie Lash Magnetic Eyeliner, a 30 count. Oh, they give you, hang on, let me open this up. Oh my goodness, probably gonna rip the box. Yeah, sure, I sure am. It looks like, almost like Q-tips. Look at these. I'm guessing you use these to take it off. There's like strips. That's different. I haven't seen this before. So, and here's the bag. So I'm going to put everything back in here. I'm definitely going to have to use this my next look. Okay, cool. Put that aside. Then we got the famous hand wash that everyone was like, hand wash? And I feel your pain. But honestly, I could use it right now. So I don't have to go to the store and get hand wash. This has a $25 value. Yeah, $25 value. It is Smith French Dublin It's an aromatic hand wash, so in other words, it probably smells good. Let's see. It's power packed with uplifting essences, lovingly made in Ireland. It was lovingly made. That's cute. Enriched with locally sourced ingredients. Locally sourced? Huh? Okay. To clear the mind, energize, and inspire. Boy, a hand wash that does all that. Ooh, it smells. It reminds me of something, but I can't figure out what it is. Let me try that again. Flowers. Yes, it smells like flowers. That is what it is. Wow. Okay, cool. I can always use hand wash. Let's see what else. Avent. $122. What? A lip serum designed to simultaneously plump and nourish the lips. Hyaluronic acid works to intensely hydrate, plump, and balance moisture levels without feeling sticky. Lactic acid contributes to lightening the pigmentation and nourishing the lips effectively. Why do we want to lighten the pigmentation on our lips? Wow. Avent has some really expensive stuff. Just try some. It's like a serum, but with an applicator. I'm gonna have to try this. Vitamin B3, mint, age, Revive, hyaluronic acid replenishing lip serum. Okay. Put that back. Oh, we've got one thing left, guys. Thing is the palette. Ooh, I love it when I get a palette. Love it, love it, love it. Not a whole lot of makeup this time, but that's okay. The palette is by Ciate London. I Am a Woman palette. It says a stunning range of 24 complementary eyeshadows named after amazing women throughout history who inspire us. Oh, I love that idea. It says it's a new launch, and it has an MSRP of $45. It feels nice and soft. Let's do a recap, and then we'll go in and do some swatches. So I will put the total value of this box plus the variation on the screen for you guys, and let's just take a recap. We've got this Dr. Brandt moisturizer. We got the First Aid Beauty Face Foaming Cleanser. Got the NARS Blush in Orgasm. We got the Hyaluronic Lip Serum, basically, by Avent. The Moxie Lash Kit. And the Luxe brushes. Right? That's everything? And the hand wash. Okay, so we got all of that, which is kind of good because those are things that I was needing right now. So I'm okay with that. And then the palette. Let's open her up. I'm liking. Okay. I hate it when the boxes are so stiff. What is this about? Come on. I don't want to rip the box. Okay, let's try the other side. It's vegan. That's what it says on it. Oh my goodness. There we go. 20 minutes later. Sorry, guys. Okay, come on. Okay, here we go. There's a little pamphlet in here. I am a woman. What's your superpower? That's cute. And it says things about, the ladies of our history. Harriet Tubman. How cool. I'm really liking that. That's really neat. I love the concept of this. Ooh, she's pretty. It's got a mirror. Stars on it. Their shadows have a tendency to sometimes look used, but I think that's the way it's actually, the formula is placed in the pan. Look. She's gorgeous. So there's a mixture of mattes and shimmers, and one looks like a pressed glitter. I don't know if I want to touch this or not. It does almost look like there's some fingerprints in here, but I bet you that that is probably the way that the shadows ended up being put in here. The packaging is nice. It's standard, but it feels good. It's nice and soft. It's just got that soft feeling to it, real soft. I'm wondering, should we touch these or not? Cleopatra, Ella Fitzgerald, Maya Angelou, Grace Hopper, Claudette Colvin, Amelia Earhart. Oh, I love that. Oh my gosh, this color. Let me see. Yeah. Oh, they feel really creamy. Let's try one of the mattes. Ooh, that feels good too. Ooh, let's do some swatches. Oh yeah, look guys, definitely gonna have to do a look. Definitely. Oh, on the bottom it says you. That's cute right here. It says you. So does that mean me? All right, guys. So that is what we got for BoxyCharm Luxe. I'm actually happy with this box for sure. There's a lot of things in here I could use. I'm really hoping that the Moxie Lash will do its job so I don't have to constantly take off eyelash glue. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Definitely going to be using this palette in a separate video, and that lashes as well. So let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I really do appreciate every single one of you. I love you guys so much. I will be seeing you real soon in another video, and I can't wait to see my comments. Bye guys.